Good morning everyone, myself Muralidevops. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to change the file permissions. Working with file permissions, let's see the demo. Okay, for example, I have connected the server and I'm seeing here we have a lot of files. If you observe here, example, if we take M1 file, how we can change it, the particular one, file permissions, let's see. I'm copying this one, okay, I'm copying this one. Control C, it will be copied and come here. I have open Atom editor. Here, if you observe, first icon is whether this is file or directory. It will be showcased. Icon means it is a file. In case it is come D, it is meant directly. In case it will come L, it is a soft link. Currently, it is icon right. It is a file, and you can divide 3 RW icon. Sorry, RW icon and R icon. We can divide like this. First RW is this is user or owner. Second one is group. Third one is others. Okay. In this particular M1 file, we have three things. One is user or owner. Second one is group. Third one is others. And next one is root. This root is a user. This root is a group. This particular file, the first root is a user. Second root is a group. And this particular M1 file, how much size here? 35 KB. And when it was created and what time. Okay, got it right? Again, I'm telling, first icon means it is a file. In case if it is come D, it is a directory. In case it is there in L, it is means soft link. Okay, and next we have divided 3. First, this one is user or owner. Second, this one is group. Third, this one is others. Okay, and next we are seeing root and root, right? The first root is a user of this particular M1, and this is a group of this particular M1. And this 35 is the file size. Okay, next one is November 18 and the particular time, this when it was created, this file. Okay, now we need to change this file permission. How we can do? Before going to change, you have to know few things. First, R is equal to read. The value is 4. Remember this number. R is equal to read, the value is 4. And next one is W. W is equal to write, the value is 2. Okay. X is equal to execute, the value is 1. Okay. Remember these numbers. R is equal to read, the value is 4. W is equal to write, the value is 2. H is equal to execute, the value is 1. Now we can count it. Read, write means 4 plus 2, 6, right? 6. Next one, here, group is a only read means 4. Next, again others, we have a only read option. This particular M1 file, we have a only read option, which means 4. This particular M1 file having this permission, 644. 644 means read, write and read. First, this 6 is a user or owner. The second 4 is a group. The third, fourth is a others. Okay, this particular M1 file. How can we change this file permission? Okay, if you want to change, you have to use chmod command. Chmod is nothing but change mode. Using this chmod command, you can change the permissions of this particular M1 file. Currently, what I'm going to do, I'm giving 7555. It means 7 means read, write, execute. This particular user having this particular M1 user or owner. Okay, having read, write, execute permission. Group having 5 means read and execute, and others having read and execute. Currently we have a 644. I'm going to change it to 755 and give that file name. I'm giving this one. Same thing I'm executing here. Let's see. Currently we have, if you observe, read, write means user or owner. Second R icon means group. Third one is others. Now I'm changing here chmod 755. 755 means read, write, execute, read, write. Read, write, execute, it contains for user or owner. Second means group, it is having read, write. Others having read, write only. Then I'm giving M1. Okay, if you observe here, now the file permissions is changed. If you observe M1 file, if you observe here, read, write, execute, read, dash means it is nothing. Okay, read space dash means nothing, execute means X. Same thing here, read, execute. Okay, read, execute, read, execute. Got it right? If you observe here, once again, I'm telling read value is 4, write value is 2, execute value 1. 5 means read, execute. Same, 5 means read, execute. 7 means read, write, execute. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7, right? 7. We have to calculate plus. Okay, got it, right? Now it is changed. Okay, well and good. We have changed the permissions of that particular M1 file. Now I'm going to change to Venki directly. I'm going to change to Venki directly. I'm going to inside the Venki directory. Inside the Venki directory also we have a multiple files and directories. Okay. Now I'm going to back PWD. Currently I'm in root directory. If you observe here, we have a Venki directory. I'm changing to currently which permissions we have. This D is a directory. Read, write, execute, read, execute, read, execute. 755 is there, right? Again, I'm going to show you once again for your clarification. Clarify purpose. Okay, here C, first D, next read, write, execute, read, write, execute. Okay, first read, write, execute means 7, right? 7. Next one, group having read, execute means 5, right? Next read, execute means 5. Currently this Venki directory having 755 permissions. Now I'm going to do 755, 777 means group, user, others having full permission. Okay, user or owner and group, others having full permissions of this particular directory. I'm going to give it now chmod. Okay, 777 Venki. If you observe here, currently it is given full permission 755. Got it, right? Earlier it was 755. Now I have given full permission 777. That's the reason read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. Okay. Now I'm going to inside the Venki directory. Let's see same permissions applied or not. If you observe here, inside the Venki directory, currently I'm in Venki directory. Inside the Venki directory, we don't have, it is not applied this permission 755. The reason is, if you use chmod, just give that 755 and give the directory name, it will be apply only Venki directory. It won't be apply subdirectories or subfiles. If you want to apply same permissions to subdirectories and subfiles, what you have to do? I'm going to root directory again. Here 755, right? Venki chmod. I'm giving now 711. I'm giving the Venki. So if you want to apply inside the subdirectory also, you have to use -r. -r is nothing but recursively. chmod -r 711. 711 means it will read, write, execute and execute permissions only I have given. Okay, Venki directory. If you observe here, this particular Venki directory having read, write, execute. This first one is user or owner. Second 3 is group. Third 3 is others. Group and others having only execute permissions. We haven't given read or write permission. Okay. Now I'm going to inside the Venki directory. If you observe here, subdirectories also same permissions is applied because we have given -r. If you give the -r, it means recursively. Whatever you are giving this permission inside the subdirectories also, it will be applied. Subdirectories, subfiles also, it will be apply the same permission. I hope understand. Any question? Simply I am telling chmod command is used for to change the permissions. We have a read, write, execute, and each file or directory contains user or owner and group and others. Based on file or directory, if you want to give the permission, we can calculate like this: read value 4, write value 2, execute value 1. 644 means 6 2s. 4 plus 2, it means read, write permissions for owner or group user, other group having only read permission, group having others having only read permission. If you want to change, you can use chmod command. I have given 755. Okay, got it, right? I hope understand. If you give chmod -r, it will be apply the subdirectories also same permission. In case if you want to apply subdirectories also same permission, whatever you are giving currently, if you want to apply the subdirectory subfile, you have to use -r. If you are not giving -r, it will be apply only main directory. It won't be apply the subdirectories. Okay, I hope understand, right? Any questions? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.